Gulati, and I look after the operations of the medical college at United University. Kshitij ji came in contact and visited the center and visited the university. We did our first project, which was the library.
How was the experience with Kshitij sir?
He's very personalized. He's got a good sense of design, and it was because of that we gave the entire order for the library to him.
How did you find the quality of samples we provided?
Good, sturdy, and the samples were very well formed and very beautiful as well.
How helpful was our team in understanding your needs?
Team was very helpful. They were here when we wanted them. सारे samples के साथ, सारे colors के साथ, सारे books के साथ to finalize everything, and they were happy to customize for us.
ओवरऑल फीडबैक कैसा था आधुनिका फर्नीचर्स के साथ?
अब हम तीसरा या चौथा प्रोजेक्ट साथ में कर रहे हैं तो अच्छा ही है फीडबैक तो, बट दे बीन डूइंग वेल एंड we have a decently long partnership. We've been working together for 2 years and hopefully we'll continue this work further.
Thank you for watching. At Adhunika, we believe every piece of furniture should not only elevate your home but also reflect the trust and satisfaction of our customers.